Hello, beautiful soul, and welcome to this guided meditation that will help you release any negativity or heaviness you may be carrying right now and reconnect you with the energy of light and love that is always available to you. Of course, we all know that just because the clouds are out doesn't mean that the sun has gone. We just can't see it temporarily, yet we still need the reminder. Our human journey is about learning to remember what we continually forget. Let this guided meditation help reconnect you with the energy of light and joy. No need to push away the clouds. Just allow the remembrance that the sun is always behind them. I'm so glad you're here, dear one. If we haven't met yet, I'm Carolyn, spiritual life coach, and this channel is all about helping you still your mind and awaken your soul while using the healing energy of horses as our guide. Before we begin, let your eyes gaze over the images of the horses who will be coming along with you throughout this meditation. Let their soulful strength and their powerful presence wash over you. Feel yourself being bathed in a healing light that is calm, confident, peaceful, and present. Horses are prey animals. They must remain in the present moment, calm yet alert, in order to respond if or when it is needed. For them, there is no yesterday. There is no tomorrow. There is only right now. Let this wisdom of the horses merge with you now. As you get yourself comfortable, gather whatever you need to support you with feeling good, and do whatever you need to do to adjust your position so that you can really settle into this gift of time you are giving to yourself. And whenever you're ready, gently allow your eyes to close. Take a deep breath in, stretching your spine up, and on the exhale, rolling back your shoulders. And take another deep breath in, feeling a string pulling from the top of your head up towards the sky. And exhale, rolling your shoulders back, feeling your chest opening up. You can bring a little bit of movement in through your waist and chest, just kind of breaking up any stiffness or stuckness that may compound the feeling of being weighed down or feeling depressed. Breathing in, feeling your spine lifting up towards the sky, and exhale, rolling your shoulders back, opening up your chest, placing your hands on your knees, palms facing up. And just continuing to breathe nice and softly and deeply. Continue with that sense of stretching up towards the sky through the airy and temporary clouds on each inhale, and on each exhale stretching open embodying the state of receiving. Let yourself feel so connected to the light above and so open to letting in that the energy of the sun pours down on you and through you, flooding your body with light and flushing out any negative, heavy, and unserving emotions and energy. The ones you can identify, as well as the ones you can't. Let this healing energy flood your body with whatever it needs right now, and let it flush out and take away whatever you no longer need or want right now. Continue breathing. Let this beam of sun pour down through your entire body. Feel it connecting you above and below. Feel the sense of security. Feel the sense of being anchored by the warm, glowing, bright light. Bringing your awareness to your chest, feeling into that sense of opening and receiving. Feeling a ball, a bubble of light coming out through your heart and chest. And also extending and expanding out through the shoulders and back ribs. It just keeps expanding from your body out and out. No limits. It just keeps going. Stay connected to the sense of a bubble and a beam that pours in light and radiates out light, that lets in and extends out, warm, nourishing, life-giving light. Keep breathing. As you both receive and radiate this bright healing light, let any positive words positive thoughts, positive energy drop into your body on the inhale, and then let them extend out from your body on the exhale. You are both the vessel and the source. Let yourself receive, and then let the light do what it cannot help but do: shine forth brightly. You don't need to try hard. You don't need to push away your frustrations. You just need to make the choice to connect, and then let the light do its work on you. Let the light do the work for you. Let the light do the work through you. Don't be the effort, be the vessel. Don't strive for it, be the source of it. Your greatest power is having the choice. There's nothing to work at. There's nothing to try harder at. Just feel the good feeling of connecting to the light above you and connecting to the light within you. And the longer the connection, the longer you can be carried. The more you ask to connect to the energy, the more the energy can carry you. Lean into this support as you keep breathing. And allow yourself to just bask. Bask in the light. Bask in the love. Bask in the knowing that you are supported and that everything you need is already here waiting for you. Let a soft smile draw itself across your face. Don't let your thinking mind convince you that this isn't real, because the present moment is indeed the only thing that is real. Take as much time as you need here to receive and to radiate. And to allow this feeling to expand and to enjoy it. And whenever you're ready, gently allow your eyes to open. I hope this meditation helped you feel supported and loved and filled with pure positive energy. Please let me know in the comments if it was supportive for you, as it really does mean so much to me to hear from you. If you'd like to go deeper with getting out of your head and back into your heart, then I invite you to take advantage of my free 3-day mini course, Master Your Energy. And as always, if you received any benefit from this meditation, please show it some love by clicking like and subscribe, as this really helps me create more of them for you. Thank you so much for listening, dear one. Have a beautiful day.